Today, I'm going to show you how to edit your website that you generated using Zyfo.ai. If you haven't generated a website yet, it's super easy and free to do on Zyfo.ai. Link is in the description. But this is for editing your website, showing all the advanced features. You can edit the color, font, content, add new pages, delete pages. You can pretty much do whatever you want. It's your website after all. And I want to show you some of my favorite features, which is the contact forms that work by default and the newsletters, which are super useful for growing your customer base and getting new people into your business. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you how to edit your website. So the first step is to just get to your profile page, which you'll be redirected to right after you log into Zyfo. Here you should see website list, which you can click on along with some other things. I've already generated a website, but if you haven't yet, you can just click create new website and you can make a website. In here, just click on edit. And you can see your website and edit all the features of it. Let's start by editing the color scheme, because that's the easiest to edit. So Zyfo makes this really easy. You just click on See Color Schemes here, and then you can choose a scheme that you'd like. Go with this one. And then click Preview Changes to see the changes. If you don't like that, you can just change it back to whatever you'd like. You can also change the font. Let's go with Berto maybe. You can see a font sample where you click Preview. But I don't really like that one, so I'm going to change it again. And as you can see, Zyfo just makes this so easy to change it to be whatever you like. Title will show up in the browser tab of your website and in Google search. So for my website, John's Gifts, I'm going to call it Get Gift Today. And when I click Preview Changes, it won't actually change anything here. But when people see my website in Google search results, they'll see Get Gifts Today, and it will show up in the top their browser bar. I can actually show you right now because it's so easy to publish the website Zyfo. As you can see, it says Get Gifts Today, John's Gifts, instead of Home. The other things in this left bar are brand info, so you can choose a logo to upload, which will show up in your header and footer. And you can also change the socials and contact. So I'm going to put in a Facebook account, a fake Facebook account, LinkedIn account. Click preview. And if you scroll to the bottom of the website, you'll see that it's populated the footer with a Facebook and Instagram links to your account. To generate new pages on Zyfo, the top right, you have this button New. This is for new page. You can click this and type in whatever page you'd like. Call it Contact Us and click Add Page. As you can see, it's generated a Contact Us page. It doesn't have the form, but it's very easy to add just by clicking the plus here, which you can add a section to your website. And then you can click on Contact Form. And you've got a contact form that works, and it will automatically send any emails that people send to you, any messages that people send to you on your website. It will automatically send it to your email address that you use to sign up for an account. If I want to move this up so that people see this before they see this section, I can just click on this caret here, which will move it up. Now you have Contact Us, the form, and then some information about it in an image. Now, if I go back to the home page, by default, this link won't actually work. It won't do anything. So you need to make it work by going into Edit and linking this to a page. You can see here that Contact Us is linked at /contact-us. So I'm going to edit this to /contact-us. I'm going to say change this text to Contact Us. So now when they click this, they'll be linked to this page. Let's say I want one more page that lets people find our location. Let's say our location as the page title. Click on Add Page, it will generate it. And let's edit this component here so that instead of an image, it has a map. Click on the X by type image for the grid component layout. Add a component and Click on preview changes, and you can see that just like that, we have a map already built in. And let's say that I wanted this map to end up above this text here. That's very easy to do. You just click edit, and then you can move it in front of the content, click preview changes, and now the map is on top. You'll also notice that it creates the links to the pages that we've created in the top left here so that anyone can find it. And on mobile, it will be mobile friendly by default, so they'll just have a drop down bar. We can add another button right here that links to our location. And type it, make the content in it find us. Now we have two different buttons that link to both of our pages. In different sections, you can edit them to fill exactly what you need. AI will generate customer testimonials for you, but if you'd like to put in ones that are from other customers, you can just type in this gift place is awesome in the text field and put in name Joe. Click preview changes and you can see that it's updating the text automatically. You can change any of this, and you can change any of the FAQs to fit whatever text you'd like. You can add FAQs, move FAQs. One other thing I'd like to go over is adding another section. So let's say before this subscribe to our newsletter section, I clicked on simple title there, and that'll just add in like some text that you can edit. Oops. You can just edit it to say the perfect gift installation, something beautiful like that. Click on edit, and you can see it just pops up with the text before subscribe to our newsletter. And you can even just create blank grids that you can use to fill in with other sections, add some content. It's AI generating this content about us. For an example, you can do whatever you want. It's your website. So once I'm happy with my website, I can come in and just publish it in literally one click. You ready? And it's been published. It's literally that easy. And you can see that all these links will work. And you can give the different. And you've got a beautiful website in probably 10 minutes of work. One other feature that I'd like to show you is the newsletter. As people sign up, I'm going to click on my profile now that I've edited my website and published it. And in my website list, I can click on see. So you can see that I've already got 2 people signed up, example@email.com and hello@gmail.com. So I can send them an email, click this, click OK, and it'll redirect me to send an email to all of them, refresh it in ones. And I'll show you that as people sign up, let's say that I put my email there. Say I signed up here, emails, and just like that, the email address is in. So it's just super simple, and you've got a newsletter so you can grow your customers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you like and subscribe because it really helps out me as an independent creator. And check out Zyfo.ai. Use it if you haven't. It's actually maybe the best website generator that I have ever found, and you just got to give it a try. So thank you, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.